good, YouTube? It's your boy LokoRob, and we back with another video. As y'all can see by that title, man, we're gonna be doing an unboxing. I just picked up this microphone right here so I can start doing my reactions for my reaction channel. So this is mainly gonna be for my second channel, Rob Smith Live. You guys can go subscribe to it right now. All my socials should be at the bottom of the screen right here. So make sure you guys go subscribe to that channel. We're gonna do an unboxing. This is called the Elgato Wave 3. I just picked it up from Best Buy, and I heard it's a real good sound quality microphone, you know what I'm saying? So whenever I'm doing my reactions, whenever I'm about to start live streaming too, so this is gonna be, I'm just getting all the stuff, you know, brick by brick, piece by piece, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna go ahead and do the unboxing live right here on the channel. Alright. I try to unbox it neat, guys, because I'm like a hoarder. I like to keep all my boxes. I don't know why. Like whenever I got my Osmo Pocket, I still got the box. My friend T, she bought me Beats like years ago. I still got the box to this day. It's been over like 8 years and I still got the box. Like, so I'm a hoarder when it comes to that. We're gonna do a sound test too. I'm gonna plug it into my computer after we do the unboxing. Alright, there we go. Little nice packaging that they got, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I know it's gonna be a good microphone. It comes from Elgato. It might be cut out of this frame. So, all right, so it comes with, you know, manuals, of course, all that fun stuff. What's this right here? The packaging is real nice. I got plenty of these. This is a USB to USB-C. So I got plenty of these. This is basically like the Android iPhone charger. USB to USB-C. Right. Alrighty. Here we go right here. So it should be a nice little easy setup. I can't wait to hear what it sounds like. Ooh, look at that. Rob on the beat. My favorite team's the Heat. You can't teach. I'm going to school. I'ma always rule. I can't rap, but that's okay. I'ma figure out this map. I'ma take it back. I'm about to go take a nap. Sorry, now let me stop, man. All right, man. So like I said, this is the Elgato Wave 3 right here. Hold on, so you guys can see me now. There we go. All right, so Elgato Wave 3. Got a mute button right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. If it's in focus, a mute button. USB-C, that's where you plug that in. You can also plug a headphone. You can plug headphones into the back of it, so I guess the audio will come through that and you'll be able to record. And I'm guessing this is like the audio right here. So like I said, this is gonna bring some quality to my reaction videos, you know what I'm saying? Because I did have a microphone that I got off of Amazon, but honestly I didn't like it. It was I can't even remember the name, but it was like a LED microphone. I thought it was gonna be good. I didn't like the quality. You know, one thing about me, I do stuff like raw. I don't really change nothing. You know what I'm saying? Like, you'll see people do unboxing videos, or, you know, they'll test out a product and they go ahead and do an edit and make it seem like that product is good. I want it to be good when I get it. I don't want to have to do no extra stuff. You get what I'm saying? So this is going to be raw. Like, this is going to be, whenever we do the sound test, it's going to be me testing it without changing nothing, so you guys can know what you're getting. All right, so we're going to switch over and test it out. All right, so this is us just talking without the microphone. All right, so this is the Elgato Wave 3 in right now, testing. and it sounds a lot better. As y'all can see the difference from without the microphone and the difference with the microphone. You know what I'm saying? So this is a good microphone, man. And I missed a step. I'm gonna show y'all this step real fast. So you want to go on a web browser. You know, you want to you want to type in elgato.com/downloads, and then you want to go down to select your product, and then you want to go over to audio, and then you want to go to wave 3, and then I already hit download. You go ahead and hit download, and then you hit setup, and then install, like how you install anything else. Once you do that, the Elgato Wave 3, it will be installed into the computer, so you'll be able to use it for reactions, live videos, stuff like that. I'm getting a PC next, so that's coming next. So the live reactions, all that stuff is coming. It's all gonna be in one. So this YouTube, man, we turning up with it for real. It's doing good. Like I said, I appreciate all the love and support, man. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button if you guys enjoyed the video, man. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Y'all have a blessed day. I'm out. Peace.